How to make cut comb honey. First, you will need to measure the cut comb container that you plan to use. Now you can cut out your honeycomb, completely removing it from the frame. Use a ruler to even the edges. Cut the comb to about a ½ inch less than the length of your container and a ½ inch less than the width of your container. Place the cut combs on a cooling rack over a baking tray. Let the comb edges drain for 1 to 2 hours. Then you can move the cut combs into the product containers.